everything Trolio, we gotta find his hiding place.
Maybe you could use some help to spot the solution.
Hey, yeah! Spot!
Spot! Oh, Spot!
Oh, Spot, how do we solve this problem and find the cubby creature's hiding place?
Fetch, Spot, fetch!
Blue, red, green. Let's do it again. Blue, red, green. Hey, that's a pattern. Blue, red. What comes next? Green.
But what do patterns have to do with the cubby creature's hiding place?
Well, maybe he likes patterns. And if he likes patterns, he'll love these.
What is a pattern, anyway?
A pattern is when things come in a certain order and repeat, like this. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle.
But all these cubbies are the same shape.
What's different about the cubbies that can form a pattern?
Hey, why don't we do one of those twinkle think